kotse ba? Feel kotse na. It's the new year at ibig sabihin yan, more cars na naman ang darating sa atin dito sa Pilipinas. Pero kesa manghula tayo, wishlist naman ang gawin natin ngayon. Kaya naman in this video, it will be the top list of cars we want in the Philippines in 2025. Siyempre, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. 2025 na pero more than half pa rin ng viewers ang hindi nakasubscribe. Naku, paano ba yan? Hindi kayo siswertein yan. We already have the CR-V and Civic with their hybrid versions. Ang masasabi lang namin is una, totoong mas tipid sa gas, and as for the Civic, mas masaya siyang i-drive. Kaya naman, kung darating din sa atin ang HR-V hybrid na meron na sa ating mga kapitbahay, ay mas magiging masaya ang crossover market. Not only will it be a competition for the Toyota Corolla Cross, magiging rival din ito ng mga nagdadatingan na Chinese electrified vehicles na enticing for many buyers. Sabi nga, pagkainan, tirahin mo na bago pa tirahin ng iba yan, if you know what I mean. So kung ako sa inyo Honda, dalhin nyo na bago pa may iba pang magdala ng hybrid crossover dito. Dali, 2025 na yun. During their media Thanksgiving party, sinabi ng bagong managing director ng Ford Philippines that 2025 will be the year they will introduce electrified models. May ilan-ilan na rin silang hybrids and EVs sa ibang bansa, pero among all of them, ang pinakagusto namin makita ay ang Ford Mustang Mach-E. This is the all-electric crossover with up to 480 horsepower. I'm sure magiging mahal yan, pero minsan, it's not the price, it's the availability. Ano naman kung mahal, di ba? Eh di, mag-ipon. We already have the GR Supra and GR Yaris here and buebenta naman sila. Kaya it's time to give what racing Toyota boys want and bring in the GR Corolla here in the Philippines. Bakit? Kasi ito ang pantapat sa Civic Type R na isang performance car pero may practicality pa rin. The GR Corolla has enough room and comfort to be a daily while also having 300 horsepower para sa exciting weekends. And sakto rin kasi nagbalik na ang rally sa Pilipinas with the Philippine Rally Cross Series. Exciting to. The kicks isn't kicking enough para umangat ang Nissan sa standings locally. Kailangan nila ng isang exciting, attainable model to keep up with the likes of the Toyota Race and Kia Sonet. Kaya sana madala na nila kagad ang Nissan Magnite na preview nila ito during the Philippine International Motor Show pero wala pang specific dates kung kailan ang dating during the event. Hopefully soon kasi the Almera isn't doing it for Nissan here in the Philippines. Last on our list is a true wish dahil mukhang imposibleng mangyari ito pero baka lang naman. We are wishing for the production version of the Mitsubishi DST concept. Nagustuhan namin ang new direction ng Mitsubishi with the X-Force and curious din kami anong pinagkaiba ng DST concept sa Montero. Kasi sabi ng Mitsubishi, this is still a body-on-frame na 7-seater pero hindi daw ito ang next generation Montero. So ano ito? Nakapagtataka, di ba? Nakapagtataka. Oh. Sana lang maging mas mabilis ang development compared sa X-Force na 1 year ang inabot from unveiling of the concept to the global launch of the production version. Tapos, another 1 year bago umabot sa Pilipinas. So that's it for this video of cars we want in the Philippines this 2025. Kayo, ano pa ba gusto nyong maging available dito sa atin? I-comment nyo lang sa baba. I'm your host Stanley Chi, ang inyong senpai ng turbuhan na nagsasabing tirahin mo na yan bago pa tirahin ng iba yan. Be assertive, o siya. Sige na, kita-kits tayo sa next video dito lang sa Feel Kotse. Bye-bye! Thanks for watching! For the latest news, reviews, and anything you want to know about cars and car ownership, visit philkotse.com. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Spotify para hindi ka huli sa usapan. Tandaan, kotse ba? Phil Kotse na!